Today, I will introduce to you the types of our track strips and how to use them. This is one of our 3-wire track spotlights. Now I took this rail strip apart and showed it to you. This is a 3-wire hole. When you install it, you must pay attention. Don't get the direction wrong. After inserting it, turn it to this side. It's fixed. There are 3 lines here. This is the L line, N line, and this is the ground wire. The power box needs to be aligned before it can be installed. This is different from a normal straight track. If you need to customize the track of this curve, you just tell us the diameter of the arc and the length of the arc. You can combine the length as you like if you need to connect to tracks. So we need an intermediate connector to connect the 2 products, just like this.